How to make the text vertical in Google Docs. This is what I'm going to show you in this video, so if you're interested then keep on watching. Now again, as I am saying it in all my tutorials, that there are many things in Google Docs which are not that user friendly as it is in the Microsoft Word, because Microsoft Word is a mature word processor, whereas the Google Docs is a free online word processor. So there are a number of options which are available in Microsoft Word and which are not available here, but there are workarounds and you can achieve the workarounds with that. In order to make the text vertical in Google Docs, what you need to do is that you need to click the cursor. You need to click somewhere where you want to insert the text, then go to insert and then click drawing, and from drawing click new. It will open up the drawing dialog box where you can click the text. In the text you can text box you can place your text. You can modify the text, and once it is done you will see this circular dot with the help of which you can rotate the text and you can make it vertical, and you can just press save and close and it will be inserted like this. The problem is that once it is inserted here, it is displayed as a picture. If you want to edit or change it, you can again click edit and it will again take you to the drawing dialog box where you can edit this text. Create another way of putting the vertical text. Let me delete this, and you just need to insert a new text box like this one and place the text in that, and then you need to insert the text in that, and you can just keep on pressing this until this text becomes the vertical. And you can once you're satisfied, you can press save and close, and the text will be inserted like this one. So this is how you can insert the vertical text in Google Docs. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.